Indian Army has validated Akashteer systems in real time, marking a significant milestone in its integrated air defense network. The Philippine Marine Corps provided a detailed briefing on its advanced Brahmos anti-ship cruise missile system to United States Marine Corps during a recent exercise. IIT-Kanpur has developed a Kamikaze drone that can carry a 6 kg warhead and has a striking range of 100 kilometers. President-elect Donald Trump has named Mike Waltz as his national security advisor and is planning to appoint Senator Marco Rubio as his Secretary of State in his upcoming administration. India's JSW Group has partnered with US firm Shield AI to manufacture a VBAT platform in India. Concerns have been raised on the use of Su-30 EP engine in India's Archer NG prototype, due to the ownership of Su engine link with China. Prachand light combat helicopter has test-fired an indigenous 80mm multi-mode rocket with increased explosive power that offers better penetration against reinforced structures and heavier armored vehicles. Naval Group has introduced France's ambitious next-generation aircraft carrier that includes 3 state-of-the-art electromagnetic catapults. The DRDO has successfully carried out the maiden flight test of a long-range land attack cruise missile from an integrated test range. All subsystems of the missile system performed as per expectation and met the primary mission objectives. The 1,500 km range missile followed the desired path using waypoint navigation and demonstrated its capability to perform various maneuvers while flying at various altitudes and speeds. Once DRDO completes trials, the Indian Navy will order an initial 200 missiles worth approximately 5,000 crore rupees. At a time when Hindustan Aeronautics is set to revive its Nashik plant operations to manufacture 12 Su-30 fighters for the Indian Air Force, HAL is also rekindling its proposal to the Indian Air Force for an additional 72 Su-30 fighter jets with Super Sukhoi upgrade configuration at an estimated $5 billion. If accepted, it could bring the total fleet to over 344 Su-30 aircraft, and will add 4 new squadrons by 2030. After the recent offer of Tu-160M strategic bombers to India, experts have said that a new Tu-160M will cost around $270 million per unit, and when the costs for associated equipment, training, support infrastructure and long-term maintenance are included, these costs could push the per-unit cost to $350 million. In terms of operational costs, each Tu-160 could incur an estimated $20,000 per hour in maintenance, fuel, crew and system usage. While the Tu-160 offers remarkable strategic advantages, but these costs must be weighed against India's defense budget and long-term strategic needs. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.